All right, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we're going over our triple chocolate fudge cupcakes, everybody. Now, this is not the same kind of directions that you would use on the back side of the box, but we're going to tell you about some of Granny's secrets. Eliminate the water and add in sour cream, everybody. Yes. Still add your oil, your 3 eggs, and you go ahead and mix it thoroughly, everybody. So that way you come up with your nice fluffy cupcakes. Now, we're not going to use our chocolate icing as we saw it here. You can use that if you prefer. We're going to go a little lighter with a little bit of less calories, okay, with the whipped cream and some Snickers, mini Snickers, okay? Now, these cupcakes were nice and cooled off, but they were still a little bit warm, but it was okay, and it was perfect for what we're trying to do here for the Lover Special Romantic Cupcakes, everybody. This is how we make it, okay? Now, look at that. Now, we're going to put our little Snickers on top. And then nothing really fancy, just that. And it's great for the nice little night, late night. And can't sleep with your man and all this other good whatever, grandmother. Oh, okay, I'm keeping it nice PG-13. Okay, anyway, but you know what, you guys can get really fancy with your cupcakes. You can put that chocolate frosting on there, and you can give some to your man, and grandmother. Okay. Follow us more on YouTube, you guys. You guys get the concept of these cupcakes. See you soon.